what's up guys, welcome to Drika's Kitchen Vlogs, the house of recipes, and if you're new, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon for more notifications. And example, you were looking for a tasty meal and you love brinjal like many others do in other states and mainly Andhra, but you don't know how to make brinjal the best curry ever. Then why not try stuffed brinjal curry? It is absolutely amazing and out of this world. The taste and the brinjal itself are the main taste, as well as the gravy. The gravy gives the main taste to the brinjal, which gives you the taste to the whole curry. And this curry is, oh my gosh, I have no words. This is amazing. So let's get started. Of the video, please give a like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching.